the biggest issue is changing, as far as manufacturing is concerned, is changing the mindset of parents and students and educators on manufacturing as a good option. You know,
are you guys involved in that? Like, is there a role for kind of Workforce Alliance in addressing, helping people to understand the value of a good manufacturing job?
Yes. You know, we've been working with school systems. Here's the deal. I mean, let me just say this. Until we stop judging superintendents' performance on how many people go to college and you know, and their guidance counselors, there's not going to be a lot of incentive for people to do that. You know, I said to the
That's a fundamentally interesting concept, by the way, which now that you've said it out loud makes an absolute ton of sense, but has not come up in any conversations I've had about workforce.
You know, and there's a lot of parents, you know, I had a staff person that was at Chris Murphy had a Washington seminar thing, and you know, one of the senators or congressmen down there said, you know, everybody wants to support manufacturing, everybody wants, but they don't want their kid to do it, right? They want somebody else's kid to do it, you know. So, you know, I always thought that there, you know, if I was a manufacturer, I'd have an ad, you know, like when you open the magazine, on one side of the page is the philosophy graduate living in his parents' basement with $100,000 worth of debt, you know, and on the other side of the page is the guy bounding down, or woman bounding down the stairs, getting into their new car, driving from their condo, driving to their, you know, their manufacturing job.